Hey there, welcome back for another Tiny More Tuesday. This week I'm going to give you another short bit of Tiny More vocabulary that is almost as common as the lick that I taught you last week. Last week we looked at this 3, 5, 7, 9 digital pattern that pops up in almost every single Tiny More solo. And to be quite honest, the lick that we're looking at today usually comes right along with that digital pattern. So this lick is just as prevalent in a lot of the solos that Tiny's played over the years. The one that immediately comes to mind for me is Tiny's solo on I'll Have Somebody Else. So the solo actually starts with the lick that we're going to be learning today. This is just a chromatic lick that goes from typically the third of a chord up to the fifth. So if we're playing over an F chord, it would be an A to the B flat, B, C, right? So if you're familiar with that solo, right there in the first two bars, you get the lick that we're learning this week, that chromatic lick from the third to the fifth, and then over top of the A7 chord, Tiny plays that 3, 5, 7, 9 digital pattern. So the hope is that after learning this chromatic lick that I'm showing you this week, you can start to pair it with that 3, 5, 7, 9 digital pattern and make your own kind of unique solos that give a nod to the sound of the master, right? So before I go ahead and dive into the breakdown and show you today's lick, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and heading over to HayesGriffin.com to download your free PDF of the sheet music entablature, that would be awesome. All right, folks, let's go ahead and dive in.